Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to easily create perspective text in Photoshop. Let's start. First select the horizontal type tool, and click to write your text. Select Move tool. Drag and press Ctrl T. Then increase the size. And enter on the keyboard. Right-click on the layer, and choose Rasterize type. Right-click on Thumbnail. And select Pixels. OK, the text is selected. Press Ctrl C to copy. Then press Ctrl D to deselect. Now delete the layer. And click here to create a new layer. Go to Filter, and choose Vanishing Point. Select the Create Plane tool. Then zoom in a little. And create a perspective plane on the wall. Adjust the size. Now paste the copied text here. Press Ctrl T to scale the size, and drag it here. Then adjust the size. OK, when it is done, click OK. Right-click on the layer, and choose Blending option. Hold Alt, then click and drag to split the slider. And drag the left slider to the right like this. OK, that's well. Click OK. Now click and drag to duplicate the layer. And change the mode to multiply. Right-click on the layer, and choose Blending option. Now enable the color overlay. Then select the color, and click OK. Now click on Blending option. And drag the sliders like this. OK, that's well. Click OK. Select two layers, and click here to group them. OK, now it is done. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.